Hello guys and welcome back to Gaijin World. Syempre, bago ang lahat, kainan muna. A perfect day out often starts with good food. For today's video, medyo special po ito. Bago kami sumabak sa sinehan, nag-stop muna kami sa ramen shop, ang Fujiyama Go Go. Ang in-order ko, itong signature maize soba nila. For those who haven't tried it, it's a brothless ramen and grabe, tingnan nyo naman yung toppings. May savory ground meat, fresh green onions, nori, a raw egg yolk right in the center, completo recado. You mix it all up and it's just an explosion of flavor. And of course, the best part of any meal is who you share it with. Kasama ko ang aking asawa si Maureen, ang aking anak na si Stephen, at ang aming mga kaibigan. Seeing them happy and just enjoying the moment. Ayan o, may poster ng Zootopia 2. Mukhang aabangan din natin yan sa 2025. Okay, busog na kami and fully charged, so it's time for the main event. Dito na kami sa Midland Square Cinema, isa sa mga premier theaters dito sa Nagoya. Tapat lang ito ng Meitetsu Line na train station. One of the things I love about Japan is the efficiency. Dito, napaka-convenient na kumuha ng tickets, lalo na pag weekend at maraming tao. Since nag-book kami online, gagamitin lang natin itong automated machine. No need for long lines. Piliin mo lang yung option for QR code. I-scan mo yung code mula sa phone mo. And just like that, lalabas na yung ticket details. Bilis, di ba? Ayan, Fantastic Four first step sa Dolby Cinema. But today is all about Marvel. Ang panonoorin talaga namin ngayon yung matagal na naming hinihintay, Fantastic Four. As a fan, I'm really curious to see this new take on Marvel's first family. Excited na kaming lahat. Quality time like this is priceless. Isasama ko kayo sa isang much needed family day namin dito sa Nagoya. Life here in Japan, especially with a full-time job, can get really hectic and stressful. Kaya days like these aren't just a break. They're a complete reset button for us, a time to reconnect.
Parang mas feel kong i-post yung Demon Slayer kesa itong Fantastic Four. Mas feel ko i-post sa Instagram ko yung Demon Slayer na ticket.
At syempre, hindi kumpleto ang movie experience kung walang souvenir, diba? Lalo na para sa mga bata. Si Stephen, ayan, di na mapakali sa nakuha niyang Fantastic Four merchandise.
Hey guys, today we're going to check out the Fantastic Four merch. Let's see if it really is fantastic.
Mukhang ito yung highlight ng araw niya so far. He got a pen and a clear file.
1,320 yen. And I hope it was worth it because my poor father has... Oh wow, I like the weight of this pen is really good. There's a 4 here.
How's the
Oh, it's one of those hotel pens.
how's the ink?
Ink, I don't have paper.
Try to write on it.
Okay.
He's testing the ink. Mukhang okay naman.
Wait for it. Oh, there you go.
Is it writing?
Yes.
Oh.
Really good.
Okay, it's good. How about the other one?
Wait. I think it's blue. No, it's black.
How about the
Black
other? A black ink?
Yeah, it makes it even
Can you
better.
see the emblem? 4.
4.
Okay. How about the the folder?
4. Which is how much my grades are. Out of 500.
And now for the folder. It's a standard looking design actually, with all the characters, perfect for his school stuff. It's a small thing, but seeing him happy with a simple souvenir, it reminds you of the simple joys. It's these little moments that make a family day out complete.
That's
Look at this.
Yeah.
So cool, right? And we got 2 of the file holders, which is really good.
Yeah, that's
It's really good. It really is fantastic. So
fantastic. So hope you enjoy the movie.
I'm gonna put it in here.
Oh yeah, you can do that.
So I can just put that in there. Then I'm gonna put it in the rest of my study supplies. I know this is we just came to watch a movie, but I brought my study supplies.
Cool. Make you feel like to study more.
Yeah, because I'm fantastic. I'm fantastic.
You're
5.
fantastic.
No, wait, no. We're the Freedom 5.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
This is it, the moment we've been waiting for. Papasok na kami sa loob. I really like the vibe of this cinema. Pagpasok mo pa lang, the dark walls, the soft carpeting, and especially the cool blue lights on the stairs. It really builds up the excitement. This is the best part. leaving everything else behind for a couple of hours and just getting lost in a story. Ready na kami manood. Ayan, nakasettle na kami sa aming mga upuan. They're super comfortable, malaki ang screen, and you can really feel the anticipation in the air. This is our little escape. Okay, the lights are dimming, quiet na muna tayo at mag-e-enjoy sa movie. Hindi man namin napakita ang movie dahil bawal, sana na-enjoy nyo ang aming short family day vlog. It's moments like these that make living in Japan so memorable kahit mahal ang sine dito sa Japan. Kayo, anong huling movie na napanood ninyo with your family? At na-try nyo na ba ang mazesoba? I'd love to hear about your own family day experiences. Comment nyo naman sa baba. Muli, maraming salamat po sa panonood at pagsama sa amin. This is Alan of Gaijin World signing off. Ingat po kayo palagi.